Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more to the Jamaican cooking journey. All you when you right over here, special welcome. Thank you so much for making it West Indian Delight. Now, as I told you in the prior video, we never done with mama cake. We're going to look at thing now to dress up mama cake. So right here I have some buttercream, almond buttercream icing, not frosting. Remember, icing is a little stiffer than frosting. So it's almond buttercream icing. You could use cream cheese icing or frosting, whatever, but I'm using this. Okay, the video for this, I've not done the video, but probably if you need, I'll do it for you, but we'll just link for you in the description what we use for it. Okay, so we're gonna focus on the top right now. So what we want to know, you realize that the top is not level, so you want to use a serrated knife to gently, let us get a plate because we can't afford to throw this out. So you want to use a serrated knife and you gently just follow the knife as you come along. Just glide along with the knife. We're trying to get the top of the cake level because we want to put on a little decoration. We want to fit pretty top for mama. Okay, now we have that. Now the top of the cake is level. What we want to do right now, I've fitted this rosette tip, so we want to try now to see the pattern that comes out. So you put in your icing and you're supposed to tighten it. Use it to how you can manage. So you want to get, okay, that is the pattern we're going to get coming out. So I want to border right along. Let me show you. So I'm going to start at one end. Separate ones, but put them close to each other and let them be of the same, almost the same size. We don't must. Okay, let us finish till we reach one end. Try to have them in line and the same size, fitting on the edge. We're going to go right around and return. So this is how we're lining it up. We finish one long side, one short side. We're gonna continue, and when we come back around, we will return. Now family, this is how we have the top, but we are not through, so we want to sort of clean because we don't want to put, if you want to put your own all the way through, you can go. What we want to do now, we want to catch the bottom just as the top looks. But catching the bottom as the top looks, you have to get it to be almost at the side, holding on to the cake. We're gonna come back to finish that up there. Remember, you got to make sure no hair, whoops, is in your bag. When you stop, you've got to squeeze out that excess hair. Now that we have it, we want to start on the bottom. You want to hold your bag like this and you want to squeeze it out to let it hold to the side. Okay, pressing against, pressing, let it hold, the rosette hold to the side of the cake. So we're going to continue right around and return. Okay, okay family, this is the look that we have now that we have lined out the bottom and the top. What we want to do now, we want to finish the top. So we have a straight line and we have a sequence to follow, so you want to continue as easy as that, going through. Follow the line, or follow what you have. Okay, this is what we have. So we're going to finish mama cake and return. When we return, the finished product of mama's cake. Okay y'all? Okay family, we never intended to do everything. To be honest, we didn't want to do everything, but looking at it, it's so pretty, so we decided to do everything. So this is the side part. So you want to hold your bag like this to get it. Remember, you have to have a certain consistency, you know. So you put it on like this. You put the pressure, let it hold, and you put it there and you let it hold. Right there, let it hold. Let it hold. We're gonna continue. Okay, we have done one long side and one short side. When you come to the corner, this is how you're going to treat it. Make sure at all times there's no hair in your bag. Okay. So you want to hold it right on this little corner here, the intersection. You put it on. You put the pressure to hold that one there. Okay? Right there. Hop like you're going up, so it holds right there and don't fall off. When we return, mama cake got ready. Okay, now family, there we have it. The finished pumpkin cake. Okay, y'all? And if you're a perfectionist and you see these little places and you feel like you want to cover them, remember to let out the air out of your bag. You got to know what you're doing. You just put it like, put a little tot. Look at this. And you put it down in there. Put some pressure. If you want to cover like all these little places, but you want to keep it on a level, if you are such a perfectionist, okay? So there you have it, Mama's pumpkin cake, and we decorated it to finish it up for Mama. So from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to yours, it's your Mother's Day pumpkin cake, and we have covered it, we have iced it up, we have decorated it with almond buttercream icing. Okay, y'all, you notice the icing has this sort of slight pale. That's the almond. We use the almond to color it. So remember to like, remember to share, remember most of all to subscribe. When you do subscribe, leave your comments below and hit that notification bell. Okay, y'all, from my kitchen to yours once more, please do enjoy. Okay, Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress. We got one more thing, one more dessert coming for you. Okay, y'all.